As a repair planner, I'm starting to see more and more vehicles have ADAS. And in order to perform calibrations on these ADAS components, it requires that the gas tank is filled to capacity in order to do that calibration properly. While we've realized that it needs a full tank of gas, it's become even more important to make sure that when we intake that vehicle from the vehicle owner, that we're asking them what type of gas to use in your gas tank. But as I started thinking about this, I realized that we need to give that same attention to other fluids that may be needed on a vehicle, whether it's the radiator or coolant fluid, could be the freon, transmission fluid, brake fluid, all these other fluids. So, Danny, what are some of the reasons why we need to make sure that we use the right fluid in a vehicle?
Don't assume that the color of the fluid is going to be the stuff that you're going to use from like a generic bottle. Again, these fluids from the manufacturer have been tested and proven to meet the specification requirements. I mean, for different cooling ranges, maybe viscosity of the oil
Mhm.
or lubrication. So it's really important that we always refer back to the OEM parts department. We refer back to the repair procedures, so that way we can ensure that we're getting the right fluid and using those part numbers. We want to document how much fluid we used on the vehicle. We may have to do some draining of the complete system, flush it out, and refill it. So again, there may be some additional cost beyond just what was actually taken out of the car. Lastly, once we refill the vehicle, we always want to make sure we dispose of any fluids properly, following the EPA and the state laws. Again, there's some major repercussions if you don't follow those laws. But again, dispose of the fluids properly, and more importantly, use the right fluids that have been tested and approved by the vehicle manufacturer. If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.